Hey guys, welcome. Tired of manually accepting every eTransfer? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable auto deposit using the RBC app, so all your Interac eTransfer goes straight into your account, no approval needed. So you need to launch your RBC mobile app, sign in with your client card or username and password. After that, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, or the More tab at the bottom. Select Send Money and then choose Interac eTransfer. Tap Settings in the top right corner and scroll to Manage Auto Deposits. Using Auto Deposit, under Auto Deposit, tap Add Email. Enter the email address you want eTransfer sent to. Choose the RBC account where funds should be deposited. Tap Continue, then Register. You'll get an email to confirm your setup. After that, once confirmed, any Interac transfer sent to that email will be automatically sent to your RBC account, no manual approval needed. And that's it. You're now active for your RBC account for auto deposit. Simple, secure, and hands-free. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.